The switch both turns your tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover from the handle. Now I'll remove the strain relief and the cord keeper from the housing. Now I can remove the cord from the switch. I'll use a small screwdriver to open the cord connector and pull the wire out. Now I can replace the switch. I'll remove the white and blue wire from the old switch . And install the new switch. Now I can reinstall the cord onto the switch. First the black wire, and then the white. I'll place the switch back into the housing. Place the cord clamp into the recess for it, and realign the strain relief with the recess in the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear half of the handle and securing it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.